Hello, good evening, everyone. Dear members and viewers, welcome back to another Exotic Saturday YouTube session. आप लोग इंतज़ार करते होंगे ना कि आज क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, अभी तक हमें पता नहीं चला है। तो क्रिएटिविटी के एक और पहलू की तरफ आगे बढ़े और आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं हेमंत जी। हेमंत जी हमारे अधाता ट्रस्ट के मेंबर हैं। 2013 से हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। बहुत ही काम एंड कूल नेचर के हैं। मैंने सुना है कि समंदर का पानी जितना गहरा होता है उतना ही शांत होता है। तो वैसे ही दिखने में हेमंत जी बहुत शांत दिखते हैं, पर उनकी नॉलेज, उनकी आर्ट, उनकी फीलिंग्स बहुत गहरी हैं। तो आपका इंतज़ार जो है उसका वक्त तो क्यों बर्बाद करें, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हेमंत जी की आर्ट जर्नी को एंजॉय करते हैं।
Good morning. I am Hemant Korke from Sion Adata. I want to share today with you my journey on arts, what I did all along. Let me share with you that after my retirement in 2009, I went to one of the girl who taught me sketching, watercoloring, and I had spent some time with her learning these skills. And for first 2 years I have made lot of sketches, watercolors, which I will share with you right now. One of them I'll just try to show you. This is a watercolor. Yeah, these are the earlier watercolors. Many of them I have shared with and given to my relatives for various things, for various occasions. And some of the portraits right now I don't have because right now I'm in USA and not in Mumbai. So some of them are lying at my Mumbai house. Anyway, after that there was a lull of 3 years maybe, and then I started doing mandala painting. Our Clara madam, I remember still that somewhere in 15 or 16, she has told us that how this mandala painting is very very important, how it is useful, and told us that every small corner piece of element within the mandala should be of different color. And with that, I started doing it, and I will share you with some of my see. This is one of the mandala painting. These are our earlier. These are done in 17 and 18. During pandemic, this has come. Wait, should come here. During pandemic, it became very important, and I spent lot of time in doing all this mandala painting. Each one generally takes about 5 to 6 hours, or maybe more. During pandemic, the Mumbai's MS Society, that is Multiple Sclerosis Society, requested for the worldwide contest one of the mandala painting. This was I designed, drawn and painted, which was appreciated by them. Now coming to USA, I did some of these mandala paintings, coloring rather. Here the color combination and the integrity of the color in one individual cell is very very crucial. After coming here, I got again interested in doing some of the sketching and this I can share with you. The sketching release recently I have done. This is a boy and mother. This is my grandson, and this is my granddaughter's sketching. I did it. I am sure it is not very effective, good, nice, but it keeps me happy, interested. I'll show you. These are the sketch pens. I use it. Fine line markers and colored pencils. Now this is the recent sketch. I did it. Dilip Kumar's. This is a recent watercoloring done. Sorry, acrylic coloring done. Flower pot, tulip on pot. This is a rainy day. This is one of the portrait. Now I have got a beautiful. This is a new mandala book. I got it. Beautiful birds and treetop treasures. Here, each this thing is named. Birds are named, and according to that, I have started. This is a Amagi heron, which I painted as per the Amagi heron actual this coloring. This is how he is. His birds are look. This is a koala. Generally, it is black and white. This is silver ear. Their ears are silver. So this is how I have started painting them as they look in nature, and the color combination is based on that. You can see it. This is a halfway done golden eagle. So now each of these different things have to be painted, and it should look like that. This is my granddaughter has started it. Hopefully she is going to finish it. Otherwise I will have to start doing it. So friends, now I have become an ardent lover of this mandala painting, as they keep me busy, give me satisfaction and make me happy. I hope all of you must have liked this presentation and my paintings. Thank you very much.
Wow, that's beautiful. Fantastic, हेमंत जी. Very nice collection. क्या ख्याल है व्यूअर्स आपका? कैसा लगा आपको? अच्छा लगा? कुछ इंस्पिरेशन मिला? मुझे तो ज़रूर मिला. Especially mandala. I liked it very much because it is a therapeutic and it is very good for peace of mind. हमारा एक और सेशन स्पेशली फॉर मंडाला यूट्यूब पे लाइव हो चुका है, तो आप ज़रूर से ट्राई करिएगा. हेमंत जी, आपका आर्ट, आपका स्केच, आपका पेंटिंग, आपका वाटर कलर, आपने जो मल्टीपल स्क्लेरोसिस वाले को हेल्प की, क्या कहना, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छी तरह से आपने दर्शाया और आपने इन्फॉर्मेशन भी दी ब्यूटीफुल बर्ड्स मंडाला बुक के बारे में, कलर्स के बारे में. सो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपने एक शब्द प्रयोग किया, गार्डन लवर ऑफ मंडाला, बहुत अच्छा लगा. आपका धन्यवाद अदा करना चाहती हूँ. और थैंक यू व्यूअर्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड फॉर बीइंग विथ अस. आप ऐसे ही हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें. आप जो भी क्रिएटिविटी करते हैं वो हमारे साथ ज़रूर से शेयर करिए और हमारी यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. नहीं किया है तो अभी कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा, ताकि आपको हमारे नए वीडियोस जो अपलोड होंगे वो उसके नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहेंगे. तो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली सर्कल में भी ये शेयर कर सकते हैं और उनको भी इंस्पायर कर सकते हैं हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. So thank you once again, one and all. Thank you हेमंत जी very much. Thank you all the viewers. And अगले नेक्स्ट सैटरडे लाइव सेशन में फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए आई एम कल्पना संघवी साइनिंग ऑफ. बाय बाय. टेक केयर.